We're going to do a rolling hitch. But first I'll show you the clove hitch because it's very similar. The clove hitch is over the bar, cross over, then under the last bit of rope. That's a clove hitch. A rolling hitch is very, very similar. So we're going to go over the bar, cross over, just like a clove hitch. Now we're going to cross over again, and then under the last bit of rope again. That's a rolling hitch. So we'll do that again. We go over our bar. Give yourself a bit more rope this time. Over, just like a clove hitch. And over again, just like a clove hitch. Under the last one again, just like a clove hitch. So it's only this extra bit that's different to the clove hitch. We'll go for it one more time, and then I'll explain the difference, the advantage. Now, so over our bar, over, cross over like a clove hitch, cross over again like a clove hitch, and under the last. It's just that middle step. Now this one you can pull from either side and it'll tighten up on itself. We'll back this off and go back to a standard clove hitch. The standard clove hitch likes to be pulled in this direction only. When you start doing it this, it will roll on itself and come free. A rolling hitch it won't.